Kilifi ochiwo siem ne chudhe manie kaunti no ni ok obi yienegi rocho tije piny owacho. Mung'aro nowacho ni kaunti no nigi gowi maromo siling bilion 1.5 ok milion 800 kaka Auditor General kaunti no wacho, kendo ok obi chulo gowi ma ok oyangore. Olero ni jogo mochung' ne weche mag omenda e kaunti no ma Kilifi biro timo nonro e wi wach mar gowi ma pod ok ochul.
You are all aware in this county that at one point 51 million shillings were put in the IFMIS at 5 in the morning, and money was lost in this county. We're not going to have this again. We're not going to have people who are dealing with sensitive matters seated in some Juakali shed in Charwamai. Everybody will sit there. It's going to be an open door policy, where you sit at the treasury, at a workstation, and you do your work there. We will finish the cartel business in this country. Yeah? So the sooner they realize that is not it's business unusual,